Hey everyone, let me ask you something. How many times do you repeat the same task every day? Maybe copying the data from one app to the another one, sending the follow-up emails again and again. Feels like the time drain, right? And that's where workflows comes in to save your day. A workflow is simply a set of automated steps where one event triggers the another. Think of it like this: whenever something happens in one app, viaSocket ensures that the right action should take place in the another app automatically without lifting a finger. The best part? Less manual work, fewer mistakes, and more time for the things that actually matters. Whether you are a business owner trying to manage leads, a marketer scheduling campaigns, or just someone who wants their tools to talk to each other, workflows helps to work smarter. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to build them. So, in this video, I'll walk you through how to build the very first workflow in viaSocket, from creating your account to picking up a template and finally connecting your favorite apps. You'll see that your automation is start in less than 10 minutes. Let's jump in. First, sign up using your Google account and click on Create New Flow to start building your workflow. For example, search for Google Sheets as your trigger and select the event New or Updated Spreadsheet row. Choose the spreadsheet and the specific sheet. Then click Test to fetch the sample data. Now click Create to finalize the setup. Next, search for your action application. Here we will choose Gmail. Select the event Send Mail. Enter the recipient's email address, subject, and choose the message type. Now map the message body. Click Test. Click Add to finalize the setup. Finally, click Set Live to activate the automation. From now on, whenever a new row is added to the spreadsheet, an email will be sent automatically. Why waste hours on the task that a workflow can handle for you? With viaSocket, your apps talk to each other and your repetitive tasks run automatically. The result? More focus on the growth of your business and less on the boring stuff. Why? That's the power of working smarter, not harder with viaSocket.